Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to Brad's Greenhouse. Before we get started, I just want to give you guys a reminder to hit the subscribe button and that little bell beside the subscribe button that allows for notifications when I upload a video. And now let's get going with a little Hoya tour here. So Hoyas make great houseplants. I have them growing in a little grow space, but they really do make great houseplants as well. This one here is Hoya Sunrise, and it's a very robust grower, really nice, super easy to grow, and get some nice coloring. This is one of 3 plants that I actually own, and it has the worst color, but we're actually in front of it, and it's got some nice blooms on it, so I thought I'd show it off anyways. There's so many varieties of Hoyas. Some Hoya Lisas here. And these are 2 different clones of Lisa from 2 different places, and there's definitely a difference between them for sure. These ones here are much whiter, but something nice about just these guys as well. Look at the leaf on that, gorgeous. Under bright lights, you'll find a lot of Hoyas will color up nicely and have nice red leaves to start with, like that. If you are growing on a windowsill or away from a window, your Hoyas are going to tend to be a lot less colorful. Look at the bright leaves on this new growth here. Some plants simply just don't go colorful. This guy here, you can see the tag up there. It just gets kind of blotchy. That's a sign of enough light, too much light. This is the same plant but variegated, and it gets some nice red to its leaves. Older leaves that experience light that haven't had light do get a bit of blotchiness to them as well, but if you grow it in bright light, it will have nice red growth to start with. Very nice. This guy here, Sigillatus, probably said that wrong, but that's okay. Very colorful plant in of itself, purplish. There's lots of purple hues in it. Look at the back side of the leaves, very purple, very colorful. And here is another one just to show you guys. This is Colina. Very nice red color on new growth. Even the old growth colors up pretty nicely on this guy. So, but yeah, there's some colorful Hoyas just in this little section here. Hoyas are easy to grow. They do make good houseplants as well. They like moderate humidity. Most of them like their mix to pretty much dry out before you rewater, which makes it easy. For me, they're pretty carefree and bloom quite easily. I usually always have buds or blooms or that about to open. Here are some more about to open. These little guys. This variegated one has some about to open. You're missing the show. The show starts tomorrow, I guess. But yeah, their needs are pretty easily met. Not all Hoyas are created equal. Some Hoyas, like this guy, this one here, the Sunrise, is going to be much easier to grow than the one right beside it. I have a very controlled environment for them, but if you're growing them in the house, you may find differences in their needs and requirements. And some aren't as happy on the windowsill as others, but for the most part, they do well. Another nice Hoya Australis Lisa. Very colorful leaves. Anyways, that is just a tiny little section of what I could be showing you, but we'll leave it at that for now. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.